Find the slope of the line given by the equation x equals 3. All right, so we are asked to find the slope of the line. We know that there's a formula for that, right? M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Well, this actually requires us to know 2 points that are on the line. Okay, we're not given 2 points, right? We're just given the equation. But if you take a look at this guy, right, that looks a little bit interesting, right? Well, if this is the line x equals 3, right, what type of line is that going to be? The line x equals 3. Okay. Well, we know that that's going to be a vertical line. Okay, so remember, vertical and horizontal lines are very special lines. You got to be aware of those at all times, right? So this is a vertical line that goes through the x-intercept at x equals 3. Okay. Now we can get 2 points that are on this line and then use that to find the slope, right? So for example, we know that this is going to be the point 3 comma 1, and let's say this is going to be the point 3 comma 4. Okay, so let's label these guys x1, y1, and x2 and y2, and we'll use these in the formula to get the slope, right? So we get y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is 4, over x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is 3. And when we do the math, notice what happens here, right? 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Look what happens on the denominator. 3 minus 3 is 0. We get a 0 on the denominator when we try to calculate the slope. So what does that mean? We know that whenever we end up with a 0 on the denominator, this is a number that does not exist. Okay? So you want to remember this, right? A vertical line has no slope. Okay? The slope does not exist. Okay? You don't want to say the slope is nothing or 0, right? Because in math, 0 is actually a number. So a vertical line, it has no slope, or a slope that does not exist.